How to create Netflix account in mobile. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first, you have to install your Netflix application on your mobile. You can easily do it using your Play Store or your App Store. Simply search for Netflix and install it. Since I already have installed it, I just need to update it. So in order to create an account, simply tap on open Netflix, then tap on get started, enter your email, enter your password, create a password, then tap on next. Then you have to choose a subscription plan. Simply pay the amount and your account will be created just like that. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.